Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 20 fastest and most insane hypercars in the world. From sleek electric beasts to combustion-powered monsters, we'll go through each car in detail. You're going to feel like you're sitting in the driver's seat as we explore speed, engineering, and pure automotive passion. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Number 20. Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini's latest masterpiece, the Revuelto, is a perfect blend of extreme performance and Italian flair under the hood. It features a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 814 horsepower. That power gets routed through an advanced AWD system, giving you mind-blowing acceleration, 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. But it's not just about numbers. The Revuelto's exterior design screams aggression, with sharp angles, aerodynamic vents, and an iconic low-slung silhouette. The cabin is a mix of luxury and racing technology. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and advanced digital displays put everything you need at your fingertips. Driving it feels like riding a rocket with style. Every corner hugs with precision. Every gear change sings a mechanical symphony. This car is pure Lamborghini chaos on wheels. Number 19. Lotus Evora GT. Lotus has always been about lightness and precision, and the Evora GT is no exception. Powered by a 3.5-liter supercharged V6, producing 416 horsepower, 0 to 60 comes in 3.8 seconds. With a top speed of 188 miles per hour. The real magic is in the handling. The chassis is incredibly rigid yet feather-light, making the car respond to even the slightest steering input. Lotus's philosophy of adding lightness ensures that every drive is exhilarating and connected. Step inside, and the cockpit is minimalistic but purposeful. Driver-focused ergonomics, supportive racing seats, and tactile controls make you feel part of the machine. Every turn on the track feels like a dance. Every straight line a chance to feel the engine roar. The Evora GT is a reminder that speed isn't always about power alone. Precision, balance, and connection define the experience. Number 18. Ferrari 296 GTB. Ferrari's 296 GTB marks a new era with its hybrid V6 engine, producing 818 horsepower. The combination of turbocharging and electric motors delivers instant torque and stunning acceleration, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Top speed over 205 miles per hour. Ferrari's trademark styling is unmistakable. Aerodynamic curves, aggressive front splitter, and a rear diffuser designed for maximum downforce. The interior combines luxury with high-tech functionality, touchscreen controls, high-quality materials, and a driver-focused layout. Driving the 296 GTB feels like a symphony of precision. Every gear shift is sharp. Every cornering motion is measured. Ferrari has achieved a perfect balance of traditional V12 excitement with modern hybrid efficiency. The 296 GTB is an invitation to experience Ferrari's DNA in a compact, electrified package. Number 17. McLaren Artura. McLaren's Artura is a plug-in hybrid supercar that blends blistering performance with innovative tech. Its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 and electric motor generate 671 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Top speed of 205 miles per hour. But what sets the Artura apart is the chassis and aerodynamics. Lightweight carbon fiber structure, advanced suspension, and precise handling make it a driver's dream. Inside, you'll find McLaren's commitment to driver-centric design, digital displays, supportive seats, and minimal distractions. The hybrid system provides seamless acceleration. The electric motor assists low-end torque, giving it a kick at every gear change. Driving it on a winding road is hypnotic, smooth, reactive, and incredibly fast. Artura proves McLaren can make hybrid hypercars feel alive, not diluted. Number 16. Audi RS e-tron GT. Audi's RS e-tron GT is proof that electric can be brutal, with dual electric motors producing 637 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Top speed 155 miles per hour. The body is sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressive. A perfect mix of futuristic and aggressive design. Inside, it's a tech lover's paradise. Digital dashboards, premium materials, and cutting-edge driver aids. The instant torque of the electric motors gives a thrilling launch. The car's suspension and quattro system make it corner with remarkable confidence. Silence doesn't mean dullness. The RS e-tron GT delivers excitement in every acceleration. It's an EV, but it feels alive, precise, and dangerously fast. Number 15. Plymouth P1 Custom Project. Now here's something different. The Plymouth P1 Custom Project. It's not from any big manufacturer. It's a one-off restomod created by passionate builders who wanted to bring old-school muscle into the hypercar era. Based on a 1930s Plymouth shell, this custom monster hides a modern V10 engine under the hood, tuned to push more than 700 horsepower, with carbon fiber panels, race-spec suspension, and hand-built aero parts. The car looks like a time travel experiment gone right. Every bolt and curve was crafted for both nostalgia and performance. When it fires up, you hear a growl that blends vintage American soul with futuristic aggression. 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. Top speed somewhere north of 200 miles per hour. Depending on setup, it's raw, unpredictable, and completely unique. There's no factory, no mass production, just pure engineering madness from a group of dreamers who turned a classic Plymouth into a modern-day rocket. The Plymouth P1 Custom Project proves one thing. You don't need a billion-dollar brand to build a car that turns heads and melts tires. Number 14. Koenigsegg Jesko. Koenigsegg's Jesko is a technological marvel. 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 1,280 horsepower on gasoline, 1,600 horsepower on E85. Top speed estimated over 300 miles per hour. 0 to 60 under 2.5 seconds. Jesko features active aerodynamics, incredible downforce, and a patented multi-clutch transmission. The interior is advanced yet driver-focused. Digital dashboards, racing seats, and steering feel designed for ultimate control. Driving the Jesko is like piloting a rocket. Power is instantaneous. Handling is razor-sharp, and every system works to keep you on the edge. Koenigsegg's attention to detail makes this one of the most extreme hypercars ever built. Number 13. Bugatti Chiron Per Sport. Bugatti's Chiron Per Sport is a masterpiece of French engineering. The quad-turbo W16 engine produces 1,479 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 217 miles per hour. Per Sport is lighter than the standard Chiron, with upgraded suspension and more agile handling. Every curve becomes a playground. The interior is luxurious yet purposeful. Leather, high-tech displays, and a driver-oriented layout. At speed, it feels elegant, controlled, and terrifyingly fast. The W16 sound is hypnotic. Every acceleration wave is pure emotion. Bugatti proves that raw speed and luxury can coexist beautifully. Number 12. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Ferrari's SF90 Stradale is a plug-in hybrid producing 986 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Top speed 211 miles per hour. 3 electric motors supplement the turbo V8, giving incredible acceleration and torque vectoring. Exterior design is aggressive, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Ferrari. The interior blends luxury with racing ergonomics. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and all controls within reach. Driving it is a visceral experience. Turbochargers whine, electric motors kick in, and every curve is pure joy. SF90 is Ferrari's bold statement. Hybrid hypercars can be faster, sharper, and more thrilling than ever before. Number 11. Hennessey Venom F5. Hennessey's Venom F5 is a Texan beast, 6.6-liter twin-turbo, V8 producing 1,817 horsepower. Claimed top speed over 311 miles per hour. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Every inch of this car is designed for speed. Aerodynamics, chassis, and weight reduction are engineered for one purpose: go faster than almost anything on the planet. The interior is functional, with all attention on the driver. Driving the Venom F5 is pure adrenaline. Each acceleration pushes the limits of physics. Hennessey has created a car that's not just fast, it's revolutionary, raw, and unapologetically extreme. Number 10. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. The Aventador SVJ is Lamborghini at its wildest. 6.5-liter V12 producing 759 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Top speed 217 miles per hour. Aerodynamics are aggressive. Active spoilers, diffusers, and air vents make the car stick to every curve. Inside, it's a mix of luxury and race-ready ergonomics, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and intuitive controls. Driving it is theatrical. Every engine roar, every corner taken at speed. Every acceleration surge feels like an opera of chaos. SVJ is Lamborghini's celebration of V12 performance. Extreme handling and uncompromising style. Number 9. Rimac Nevera. Rimac's Nevera is an electric hypercar that redefines speed. For electric motors producing 1,914 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 1.85 seconds. Top speed 258 miles per hour. Advanced torque vectoring ensures every corner is precise. The car is a technological masterpiece. Over-the-air updates, predictive systems, and luxurious interiors make it not only fast but smart. Acceleration is instantaneous. The silence of electricity contrasts with the sensation of being pushed into your seat. Nevera proves that EVs can outperform almost any combustion car on the planet. Number 8. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. Pagani's Huayra Roadster BC is a work of art and engineering. 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 producing 800 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Top speed 238 miles per hour. Each car is handcrafted, carbon fiber, titanium, and bespoke interiors. Driving the Huayra BC is like piloting a masterpiece. The sound, the acceleration, and the feel are unmatched. Aerodynamics are functional art. Every vent, spoiler, and curve is designed to balance beauty and performance. This is not just a hypercar, it's an emotion in motion. Number 7. Aston Martin Valhalla. Aston Martin's Valhalla is a mid-engine hybrid hypercar, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with electric motors producing 937 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Top speed 217 miles per hour. The Valhalla combines British elegance with raw performance. Active aerodynamics, advanced suspension, and weight reduction make it nimble and fast. Inside, luxury meets track-ready design, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and modern digital interfaces. Driving the Valhalla is like dancing with danger, precision, speed, and beauty in one package. Number 6. McLaren Speedtail. McLaren Speedtail isn't just fast, it's a blend of elegance, engineering, and aerodynamic mastery. 1,035 horsepower hybrid system. Top speed 250 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. The long, streamlined body reduces drag and increases stability. The central driving position maximizes visibility and connection. Active aerodynamics and advanced suspension keep the car planted at extreme speeds. The cockpit is luxurious yet functional. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and modern tech ensure control without distraction. Acceleration is seamless, cornering precise, and braking responsive. Speedtail proves McLaren's hyper GT mastery. Number 5. Koenigsegg Regera. Koenigsegg's Regera is a hybrid hypercar that challenges conventions. 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors producing 1,500 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Top speed 255 miles per hour. The direct drive system eliminates traditional transmission, providing instantaneous power. Driving the Regera is surreal. Acceleration is linear yet violent. Handling precise, and the sound intoxicating. Interiors are luxurious. With high-quality leather and digital interfaces, Koenigsegg proves hybrid can be extreme, seamless, and emotionally thrilling. Number 4. Ferrari Monza SP2. Ferrari's Monza SP2 is a limited run, open-top hypercar, 6.5-liter V12 producing 809 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Top speed 186 miles per hour. Retro-inspired design with modern engineering, lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and a driver-focused cockpit. Every drive feels like a celebration of Ferrari's heritage, acceleration, cornering, and engine sound combined for a pure experience. Monza SP2 is a reminder that some cars are built to thrill, not just perform. Number 3. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. Bugatti's Chiron Supersport is a quad-turbo W16 monster, 1,577 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. Top speed 273 miles per hour. Every component is precision engineered: suspension, aerodynamics, and brakes designed for ultimate speed. Inside, luxury meets performance: leather, carbon fiber, and advanced tech. Driving the Chiron Supersport is a surreal experience. It feels calm at insane speeds, yet delivers adrenaline at every acceleration. A true masterpiece of French hypercar engineering. Number 2. Hennessey Venom F5 Revolution. Hennessey's Venom F5 Revolution is engineered to surpass limits. 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8, 1,817 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Top speed over 311 miles per hour. Extreme aerodynamics, lightweight carbon fiber, and advanced suspension create a car that hugs every corner. Driving it is raw, violent, yet controlled. Each acceleration is a test of courage. The Venom F5 is proof that American hypercars can compete with the world's best. Number 1. Lotus Evija HyperX. Lotus redefines speed with the Evija HyperX, fully electric, 2,000 plus horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Top speed 218 miles per hour. For independent motors, provide torque vectoring for unparalleled handling, lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and driver-focused interior create an ultimate driving experience. Driving the Evija HyperX feels like being strapped to a lightning bolt. It's not just fast, it's revolutionary. Lotus proves that electric hypercars can deliver emotion, precision, and adrenaline like nothing else. Wow, what a ride! From the incredible precision of each hypercar to the raw power and insane speeds, we've just traveled through the ultimate automotive dreamland. If you love this journey through the top 20 fastest cars in the world, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us keep bringing you amazing content. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an adrenaline-pumping video like this. Which car was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, stay fast, and I'll see you in the next video.